High-rise beam integration is not simply about learning Revit, Naviswork, or another BIM software. The real challenge is developing the right skill for the right stakeholder. A project manager needs BIM-based decision making. A BIM manager needs information governance. A training engineer needs 4D and schedule integration, and the facility management team needs asset information for the entire building lifecycle. In this video, let's understand stakeholder by stakeholder BIM as an information ecosystem. The model is only one part. Planning, quantities, cost, procurement, construction purpose, quality, commissioning, and facility management must work together. Therefore, BIM capability should be developed according to each person's role and decision-making responsibility. BIM is primary a decision-making and project control tool. The project manager should understand BIM fundamentals, 4D planning, and 5D cost concept. They should be able to interpret clash reports and decide which issue require escalation. They should understand BIM KPIs, integrate BIM with Primavera planning, connect project information with Power BI dashboards, and use BIM data for risk identification and forecasting. The project manager does not need to model every element. The key skill is knowing how to use BIM information to control time, cost, quality, risk, and responsible for BIM governance. The role requires knowledge of BIM standards, the BIM execution plan, ISO 19650, principles, common data environment management, and information requirements. The BIM manager must coordinate federated models, establish clash management process, audit models, and maintain information quality. Most importantly, the BIM manager ensures that BIM is implemented consistently across architecture, structure, MEP, planning, commercial, and construction team. Is the technical coordination bridge between disciplines. The essential skill include Revit, Naviswork, model federation, clash detection, issue management, and model review. For a high-rise building, the coordinator must understand how architectural, structural, and MEP system interact. The objective is not simply to find clashes. The objective is identify constructability problems early and drive them towards resolution before they react. For the planning engineer, BIM becomes a powerful planning and forecasting platform. The key skill include Primavera P6, WBS, and activity coding, BIM to schedule, mapping, 4D simulation, progress measurement, and earn value management. The planning engineer should understand SPI, CPI, plan value, earn value, actual cost, and forecasting. When BIM and Primavera are connected correctly, the team can visually understand what should have been built, what has actually been built, and what may happen next. Procurement team should understand BIM-based quantities, material coding, specification, and vendor information. BIM quantities can support material planning, purchase requirement, and procurement tracking. When procurement data is linked with project quantities and schedules, the team can identify upcoming material requirement earlier and reduce the risk of construction delay caused by the procurement. Remember, successful BIM integration is not created by software alone. It requires four pillars: people, process, technology, and data. Give every stakeholder the skill required for their role. Connect BIM with planning, cost procurement, construction, and facility management, and establish governance, validation, and accountability. That is how BIM becomes a project management capability rather than simply a 3D modeling exercise. BIM manager, planner, quantity surveyor, site engineer, procurement professional, contractor, consultant, or facility manager. Start building your BIM skill according to your role. Learn the technology, understand the process, integrate the information, and use the data to control the project. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more practical step by step BIM, AI, and project management learning. Thank you.